Hey guys, today we're going to see that how to display a content to our output, and if we want to play the want to see the content, so that will not redirect to the platform that will show in our output. So today we shall explain and see this using a video. So that's our channel's video, and we can easily understand this. So to do this, we are going to use a tag called iframe. So we're going to see this after. Let's start our today's video. So now we need to open our code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. So now take our code syntax. I'm going to word wrap this so it will help us to see this content easily. So I'm going to delete the unneeded things from here. So now we're going to change this title into HTML iframe tag. So now we need to discuss that what is iframe tag. So iframe is a tag which help us to display a content into our output, which means our browser, or which, we can say this as our website, our local hosting website. So now we shall uh, import a video here from YouTube. So to do this, we can use two steps. We can check two steps that which steps work of HTML iframe. So at first steps, we're going to copy our video link. Since we are going to check the iframe tag using a video, so go here. This is channels on one video. So now copy a video. So just copy a video link, then redirect to our output, then open our Visual Studio Code, and here write for iframe, and it will show here. So there is automatically two attributes shown. So we're going to delete one attribute which is unneeded. So now in this source attribute, we have to just input our video link and go here, refresh this. We can see content, and here showing YouTube refused to connect. It means YouTube cannot connect to this video in iframe tag. So this steps is not working. So the second steps, which is to copy the whole iframe tag. So to do this, go here and come to our video, then just right click on our video, then just here we need to copy embed code and go back to our HTML output, then open Visual Studio Code and just cut these things, and now paste our copied, which is combined by iframe tag. So here you can see iframe tag. So this is the whole iframe tag, and here the link of our video embed code. So now save this and go here, then refresh, and you will be able to see our video. So now if you want to play this video, so this video is not, so this video is will not redirect to the YouTube platform. This is still play here. So if you click on this, so you can see this video is playing here. This is not redirecting to the YouTube platform. This is still playing here. So using iframe tag, we can show a content on our website. We can also use some of the websites in our output. So this is there are no permission for all the websites to use iframe tag to display the websites in your output. There are some of the websites which allow to show the website using iframe tag into your output. So you will be unable to check all the websites. You just can to display some of the websites of the search in Google or any other platform. So you will not be able to check all the websites. So using this iframe tag, you can show any content on your output and you can resize the content. You can see here is the default size of this. Here the width and the height. If we want to resize, we can give here width 30 pixel. We can use pixel. Here is not pixel, but we shall use pixel. And the height we are going to choose 250 pixel. And if you save and refresh it to our browser, so this video will be resized. So you can resize this with our wish list. So I'm going to show it bigger, and here just give 35 350 pixel. Save and refresh to our browser. So now this is showing perfectly, and if we want, so we can also resize this with our wish list. We can resize this in the whole output. We can show it into full screen with if we use the big width and height. So now like this, you can show any content to anywhere, not anywhere, you can show any content to your output. So this video is only for the how to display content, or a YouTube video. You can show any YouTube video on your outputs like this, that go on the video, right click and you copy the embed code, then you will get iframe tag code. And you can also show a map. So Google, for that we need to go to Google Map. Just go on to Google Map. This is our Google Maps, and here we need to just search for like USA. Search it and you will get the USA. There is the United States. So now if we want to copy the iframe code, so we need to click on share, then embed a map. Then this is iframe code, so copy HTML. This has copied. Now go back to our HTML iframe tag just here and delete this, paste in our new iframe tag, save, and if we refresh to our browser, so you can see this is the map. And we can also see this map pressing control and scrolling up or down to from our mouse. We can also use this plus button and the minus button to zoom and zoom out. So this is how we can show a map or any other videos of YouTube to in your output. So this video is from here. So if you feel this video is informative video, please like this video and subscribe our channel if you are a new member of our channel.